Hello, my name is Mariia Teslenko. I'm introducing the Bachelor's program of Business Administration at Delta Management School at the University of Tartu. I'm a third-year student of Business Administration and a student representative in the Business Administration Program Council. Estonia is a nation built by centuries of changes and layers of outside influence. It's where Baltic meets Nordic, Europe meets the East, and medieval architecture meets futuristic technologies. Most of you do not know much about us, but as our president Thomas Hendrik Ilves once said, Estonia is like a wild strawberry, pristine and small, difficult to find, and those who don't know how to fail to recognize and value it. But today, Estonia is based on contemporary science and technology and has become one of the most entrepreneurial and advanced digital societies in the world, but also a success story of economic development in New Europe. Did you know that we are the country with the most unicorns per capita? The introduction of the Delta Management School is University of Tartu initiative to internationalize and radically enhance its economic and management education. This responds to the societal demand for more entrepreneurial, innovative, experimental, and multidisciplinary approach addressing the most challenging problems worldwide. We cannot simply do it other way, and this is the Estonian way. At Delta Management School, our vision is we are the solution architects, and we aspire to help the students and staff to follow and realize their dreams and ambitions by providing them with practical tools and networks. Our efforts have been internationally recognized this year with a global award. Our Delta Management School team received a runner-up prize as an Innovation and Entrepreneurship Accelerator of the year 2024, a global undertaking developing entrepreneurship and innovation among universities. So we are the leaders in this respect in Europe. Our programs are interdisciplinary with many English programs. You can see that we have different bachelor's and master's level programs. University of Tartu belongs to the top 1% of the world's universities. Faculty of Social Science is the best in Estonia and leading in the Nordic countries. School of Economics and Business Administration is currently ranked as a top 2 study program amongst 155 programs at the University of Tartu. The BBA program provides a strong foundation in business administration, combining studies in areas like fundamental of business, business environment and management, and specialty models. Students can choose from elective and optional courses and complete their studies with either a bachelor thesis or a graduation exam. The program covers essential fields such as business law, management, economic policy, accounting, finance, marketing and ethics, while also focusing on human resources, global economy, innovation, and research methods. With courses like financial management and investment analysis, statistical and econometric methods, students gain both managerial and analytical expertise, supported by a strong foundation in economics and mathematics. So where will you study? You will study at Delta Center, which is one of the most modern centers of digital technology, analytical and economic thought in the Nordic region. Delta Management School is located at the University of Tartu Delta Center. This center brings together a vibrant community of students, researchers and innovators in the field of management, business, economics, computer science, robotics, technology, mathematics and statistics. Delta has a modern learning environment, including student area, library, cafe, auditoriums with up to 300 seats, demo room, laboratories, and much more. We are surrounded by the offices and research and development centers of many startup and technology companies, such as Bolt, Pipedrive, Norton, Playtech, to name a few. You can learn about these companies and meet with them during your studies, perhaps also find a job here. Moreover, here at Tartu, we have a very strong local community and the most startup-minded city in the world, Tartu. Talking about collaboration between the university and industry, we work closely between the faculties of the university and Tartu and with our community, our partners and companies. Our international program connects passionate people from all over the world, providing cultural exchange and comfortable communication. So where can you stay during your studies? When it comes to transportation, the dormitories are located close to the university buildings, within the walking distance. The same goes for all of the necessary places, such as gyms, museums, and shopping centers. There are a lot of extracurricular activities for students, such events as Delta Trans Day, Delta Economic Conference, Delta Career Day, Delta X Startup Day, Christmas Party, and Baltic Economic Conference. We have been taking the lead also in organizing the most startup-minded business festival in the Baltics, the annual Startup Day. You can help us organize this event while you are studying here. You can cite from simple tasks and advance to international communication and organize the specific side events. You can practice taking on the role of an opinion leader by engaging the community through international debate platforms like the annual Delta Trans Day, which started with COVID and has since grown by size. Now it has been a very important cornerstone of our lifelong learning portfolio, where the companies attend virtually this special training day. Wharton Global Course. Since 2010, Wharton University of Pennsylvania created Wharton Global Course to give their students more international learning possibilities, and one of their courses is happening here at Delta Management School. Our students are benefiting most from expanding their international network and learning about Estonian and Latvian unicorns and other fast-growing companies by solving their practical business problems. This way we bring value to students and local companies in Tartu. Our partners have been, for example, Bolt, Pipedrive, NPV, Cybernetica, Foxway, and others, and you're very welcome to take that course while you study here. At our university, you can find clubs that unite students by their interests in certain areas. For example, we have Investment Club, Marketing Club, Photo Lab, Economics Club, International Relations Club, and many others. You can also create your own unicorn. Estonia is famous for its startups, so it is a perfect fit for students who have business ideas and want to implement them in real life. Now let's see what do the students think about it.
I'm a problem solver by nature, the boss of my own destiny. The sky's truly the limit. So why did I decide to join the Delta Management School? I've always thought that educating myself is the best solution to my problems, no matter how big they are.
GMS is more than just a degree program at the School of Economics and Business Administration. It's a diverse innovation hub for people like me who like to initiate positive change on an international level.
As a student, I get to take part in cool conferences, fascinating lectures, projects and competitions, and my studies are supported by state-of-the-art laboratories, workshops, and interdisciplinary courses at the Delta Center. In addition to being in a vibrant community of students, researchers, and innovators in the fields of economics, management, and business, at the Delta Center I get to combine learning with the challenges of business and society, which helps me in creating my own innovative solutions. Cooperation with other universities, private sector companies, and international organizations helps me implement my business ideas in the right place at the right time. Last but not least, I love Tartu, a startup-minded student city with a thriving startup ecosystem like no other. In Delta Management School, the world is in the palm of my hands.
You have many options after graduation. You can work in companies in Estonia and other countries. You can also build up your own company, or you can continue study on master's level and work at the same time. 57% have completed or continue in master programs in Estonia, Germany, Finland, Denmark, Netherlands, and many other countries. 90% working in marketing and finance spheres, which are the most popular ones. And 32% work in Estonia or for Estonian companies. Thank you for listening, and you're very welcome to visit us in Delta. Come and let's empower our dreams to solve many challenges of today's world and bring along the future that we wish for. See our channels, we have many of them, and especially go check our YouTube channel if you want to get our vibe and see how all our events and activities are happening in our environment. For example, Warden Course, CDL, Startup Day, and many more. You can also listen to what specific experiences the students who have already experienced the vibe have to say about it. See you in Delta!